Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today's hair video is brought to you by Sassina Hair. They offer clip-in and tape-in hair extensions, and today I'm going to be reviewing a drawstring ponytail. So this is how you will receive your hair in this pink box, and it comes with a cute little thank you note for your purchase. It also comes in with a pair of eyelashes, 2 extra clips, a comb, a wide tooth comb at that. And here is my ponytail. So I chose the two-tone Afro curly ponytail in 14 inches. So this is a 1B27 ponytail. So it has the dark roots and the blonde tips. Again, this is a drawstring ponytail, so it has the string where you can pull it tight, and it also has the clips for you to clip it in, and it's like a quick instant install. Alright, so here is the ponytail. I went ahead and co-washed it just to kind of add some more definition to the curls and just to see how it would overall react. Straight out the bag, it had a really textured coarse look, which wasn't bad. Like, I feel like if it was in a darker color, it would have looked really natural, but since it's in this blonde color, I just felt like it looked really dry, so I went ahead and co-washed it to give it some more definition and bounciness. The curls are still really tight. One thing I'm nervous about is that I wish the roots came down a little further. I had some like color hairspray that I was going to take and spray more at the roots, just so that the roots come down a little further so it's not as much blonde. But I'm probably going to have to just go in and just color it at some point. I'm not going to do it right now because I just want to see how it looks beforehand. But if it's too much blonde, I'm going to go in and just bring the dark brown color down a little further. It's your typical drawstring ponytail. It has 2 combs in it. You know, it has a lot of stretch. So I'm going to do a high ponytail. So I'm going to start by molding my hair up now. Just gonna take some Eco Style gel. So this is okay for now. So I'm going to take the ponytail. So they did put a track. I don't know if you guys can see. So they did put a track in the inside so that when you flip it over, it kind of hides the rim of the ponytail. So I'm going to put it on with the drawstring to the back. So yeah, after I tighten it, I'm just going to take that string and wrap it around. So yeah, I'm not feeling the color right now. Let me see. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go in and do some tailoring to this ponytail. I love the texture of the ponytail so far. Like, I love the way that these curls look, but this color is not working for me. Let me just do my edges real quick. So I'm gonna be honest, I was not feeling this ponytail straight out the pack, so I decided to go in and do my own customizations. I just did not like the way that it blended, so I'm just gonna make it so it blends a little more naturally. So I'm going to just bring those darker roots down a little more, just so that, you know, it's more of the blonde on the ends and it looks like my natural dark hair is kind of pulled up to a ponytail with blonde roots. With blonde tips. So I'm using the Adore hair color in 2 colors. So I'm using the Sienna Brown as a transition color, so from like in the middle of the blonde, and then I'm using the off black more at the roots, so it'll gradually bleed into that off black to the dark chocolate brown into the blonde in a nice gradual effect. And then I also decided to go in and add a little more dimension to the blonde, so I'm taking some bleaching powder, some 40 volume developer, and just adding a couple highlights throughout the hair. And guys, this made this ponytail like 10 times better. I love it after I did my customizations. The color is just so pretty, perfect for the summertime. This hair is so soft and it's so natural looking. I'm definitely going to order me another one in a longer length, in all black, just to have me a natural ponytail for lazy hair days. So yeah, check out Sassina hair. I will leave all the information to this specific ponytail down below, and I also have a coupon if you're interested to get a discount. And I'll see you ladies next time. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.